Hey guys, we're back with another video and it's Swag
Sisters,
and today we're going to be making fluffy
slay.
So here are the ingredients. First you're going to need Elmer's glue, and I recommend this. Foaming soap. A glass to put your hot water in. Food coloring. Spatulas. And some measuring spoons.
You're going to be needing some shaving cream, some cornstarch, and some lotion, and some borax, and some bowls to put your slime in, and a bowl.
So let's get right into this video.
some pink. No, we're not doing all that. That's way too much. Yours is starting to get pretty. Mine's just not pretty. What do you mean? Mine just really stays the same. Mine doesn't do anything. But hers? It is like really. All right. So now we're going to add in 3 teaspoons of borax. So let's both get our borax water. And we're going to find
So this is the finished product, and it's really stretchy. But if it's not stretchy enough for you, I suggest you add more lotion. And if it keeps on sticking to your hands, add more borax. So, yeah. So comment down below some names for our slime.
I'm naming mine strawberry.
I'm gonna probably name mine grape soda.
Oh, mine's gonna be strawberry soda.
So yours should be like strawberry ice cream, strawberry yogurt. Mine's gonna be grape yogurt.
It's gonna be strawberry yogurt. So I'm gonna turn it like.
Wrap the video up. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down below some slime names, and we're gonna be making another slime video tomorrow. So we love you guys. Thank you guys so much. And oh yeah, you can use containers to put your slime in, and that's what we're about to do now. So yeah, bye guys. Stay swaggy.